Hey everyone! In today's Kinsta Quick Tip, you'll learn how to rename a site in MyKinsta. With Kinsta's site renaming tool, you can easily change the display of your Kinsta site. This tool is great if you have recently changed your WordPress site's domain or rebranded your business. Just noting, this tool is only available for the company owner, company administrator, company developer, and the site administrator. Now let's get to the quick tip. Go to your MyKinsta dashboard, navigate to Sites, Info, and click Rename Site on the upper right corner. You can also find this by directly going to your site list and clicking the drop-down toggle. Next, click Rename Your Site and choose your new site name. The name change is immediately effective and you can see it in the upper left corner as well as your site list. Bear in mind that the site renaming only affects the display name. It won't change your SSH or SFTP username, your MySQL database credentials, your site's public folder path, or other internal site references. And that's our quick tip for today. For more WordPress tips and tricks, visit kinsta.com/resources. Make sure you also check out our YouTube channel and Instagram. If you have any questions, our support team is available 24/7 to help you out.